Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Volkswagen Polo. So from any screen, right, okay, let's see, we'll just put that, I'll put that on media. So media, no device connected. You can do it one of two ways. If you go onto menu, you can select telephone there, or you can just click phone. If you click phone, you'll see there's nothing connected to it at the moment, and it says find mobile phone. But if you go to your phone, go to Bluetooth, like so, make sure it's on, and you'll see it's already found the audio system. So we click on that. Confirm pairing. Does this passkey 370881 match? Yes, so pair and yes. Pairing with Barry's iPhone 13. Successful, and then just allow contacts and favourites to sync. That's it done.